All right, guys. So today I'm going to come to you and um, touch on a few things that I'm seeing within the last 3 to 4 weeks of the process of uninstalling and then reinstalling the updated version of Affordable Media. So a lot of you saying, or some of you have been saying, "Hey, I cannot see content," or I'm getting an error message. If you are receiving an error message, or you can't see content, it's a few things that's going on that I've seen and helped out folks with. So first, we want to talk about we'll talk about the OwnBox last, or your Google Chromecast last, but we'll talk about your other device. We all know what the other device is because I didn't mention it, but that's the other device. So you're looking at, if you press the home button on your remote, go to settings. From settings, go to applications, and then you go to manage install applications. You're going to look at all the apps that you have installed. Uninstall those apps that you can uninstall. Some of those apps you will not be able to uninstall. That's fine. Not talking about those. I'm talking about the apps that you can uninstall. Some of those third-party apps that you can uninstall. Then you're going to go back and then try to put in your information from there. That most likely will work. Okay. But then you have on your OwnBox, you can go to settings, press on the icon, the settings icon, scroll down to apps. And you're going to press on apps, and it's going to show all the apps that you have installed. So you can see all apps. You're going to see all apps there. Okay. For the ones that you want to, guys, don't have all them apps on there. I'm telling you, even with the, with the OwnBox or the Chromecast, don't have all those apps on there, those third-party apps. Uninstall the bulk of those apps, guys, because of it's doing nothing but taking up space and Wi-Fi as well. Okay, so that's one thing. The second thing, okay, I'm gonna go back and press the home button, start back. For some of you all that have the iBo player, this icon, which is fine, we'll start here first. For those who have this icon and cannot see content, okay, you're gonna go in and you're gonna go to playlist on the side. Once you're in playlist on the side, you're actually gonna you're gonna long press on the name that you gave your playlist. And you're going to go in and update your playlist and make sure everything is done correctly. All right. Make sure everything is in here correctly the way that I sent it to you via your email. All right. I'm going to go back in a little bit more depth. So I'm going to get back out of here. I just wanted to show you where to find it, because either way I go with this, once I go into the playlist, everything is going to look the same. So just keep that in mind. So regardless if I'm here in this particular icon, or if I'm here, the bulk of you all do have this icon here. You all have this icon here, the white background, instead of the red or the burgundy background. So let's go into the white background, iBo Pro. So if you all are getting, hey, you can't see a playlist, or an error has occurred where you can't see your playlist once you go into live TV, this is how you rectify it. Okay. So make sure that you have your username, your URL, and your password. Make sure you have that email in front of you while you're doing this. And then we go from there. So you're going to go up to change server. You're going to long press on the name that you gave your playlist. You're going to long press that. Long pressing it, that's that middle button on your remote. That's going to bring up manage playlist. You can do one or two things. You can remove the playlist and then you can start back over, or you can update it. So let's update playlist. So once you are in here, now obviously I misspelled office. I can go back in and change the spelling of it, but that's not important. The important stuff is to make sure that I have my URL information in there correctly. Make sure everything is in here that's lowercase. There will not be a uppercase letter in the URL. Everything is lowercase, guys. Make sure that you type it the way that I sent it to you on that email. The email that I send to you with that information, that is correct. Make sure your URL is typed in correctly. Also, too, make sure that your password or your passcode is in here correctly. Don't make a passcode up, guys, because I've seen some of you all make up a password. Don't make up a password. So don't make up a password. Use the information that I gave you in that email. I can't stress it more than when I'm stressing it now. So make sure that you actually enter in your password correctly. Your username. Make sure you have your username spelled correctly. Guys, there's no ampersand sign right here. There will not be an @ sign right here. Don't just put it there because you will not see content. Don't capitalize anything. Don't make nothing up to put in here. I provided you with three things: your URL, your passcode, and your username. Username, URL, and passcode. I provided you with that information in the email that you received. Type it the way that you see it. It is case sensitive. There's nothing in here that is uppercase. There's no letter in here that is uppercase. Everything is lowercase. I've been seeing these. I've been seeing this. Also, too, there's no ampersand. There's no @ sign. So type it the way that you see it. That goes for the password. That goes for the URL. Type it the way that you see it. If you miss a mark on here, say for instance you didn't put that period right there, right beside me, or right after the K, it will not play. Say for instance, if you missed a letter or you put in a number in here wrong, it will not play. You will see an error sign. Most 99.999% of errors is done here. It's done right here, guys. So make sure that we type it the way that I sent it to you. And then here's your username. Type it the way that you see it. It can be anything in this field here. Uppercase, lowercase, or space. It can be anything in this field here. That is your any name. That's any name. You can put any name in there. Doesn't make a difference. As long as, because you see I misspelled office. It doesn't make a difference if I misspelled office or not. Make it uppercase or lowercase. In this field up here, you see the blinking cursor. In this field up here, this can be anything. What matters is the URL, your passcode, and your username. Those are three things that would not make your playlist play. Keep that in mind. Those three things will not allow you to see content. Once you put everything in there correctly, you're seeing that you made the changes that you need to see. Update. And it say user successfully added. Then you can go in and go into live TV and you're going to see content. You won't see your demo, you'll see content. content like this. All right. So guys, I'm gonna stop it right here. I made another video on how to maneuver through the affordable media. So catch that video. It's going to be in Discord. So catch that video. It's going to be in Discord. So this is going to be in Discord as well. So I'm going to post it as soon as I actually get it uploaded. But guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Happy surfing.